Hey traders, welcome to the Missed Trade Evening Report. Hope everybody had a great day today. Sort of an indecisive day. We actually closed exactly where the settlement was from Friday at 11:24 today. We did test each range. If we can see here, we got to look at a daily chart. This is a great example of what to look for. We went down in the evening session right off the open and tested that 11:10.50 area. That is a number I've been watching for quite some time. If we close below that, we know that we have some opportunity down below. We went ahead in the morning and we tried to test up around that 11:46.50 area and got rejected, and ended up just grinding down the rest of the day and ended the day on the close or the settlement from Friday. So basically we call this a balanced day or an indecisive day. We have a doji here, and this is the doji candle for you new guys. The doji candle really represents no direction and indecisiveness in the market. They don't know where they want to take this thing. However, with all the things that are going on around the world, with Libya and still with Europe and the banks over there, it's still pretty weak. I would be careful and watch your downside risk because the market can slide pretty quick on any type of news. It feels to me that the market is actually spooked still. So they want to try to take it up, but every time something happens they get knocked back down. So be very careful with that. So let's take a look at some of our levels we have. As I mentioned, the 11:10 level, one of my favorite levels. If we close below that level on a daily chart, we should see some downside movement from there. Okay, but right now the 11:19, the low of today was 11:18.50. Last week's low was 11:19, which happened on Friday of last week. We tested that by 2 ticks in the regular trading hours and it got rejected today. We did end up trying the 11:46 today and that got rejected, so we have to watch the 11:46.50 area up there. Above 11:46 area we have the 11:50 up to the 11:53 area. There's a bunch of numbers up there and those could come into play as well. That would be up in this area here, and then above that I do like the I like the 63 area, 62, 63 area right up in here as a stop. And boy, if we continue, if we get some real legs going, there's nothing to stop us into this. We have a gap up here at 76. I like that gap quite a bit. That could get filled. To the downside, as I said, if we break the 11:19, keep going, look for the 11:10. If we close below the 11:10, watch the 1095, 1093 area, and of course the 1077, 1075 area. But guys, just look at these patterns. We see a quick move up and then a sell-off, a quick move up and then a sell-off. Okay, we're seeing these same types of patterns here. Those are patterns that happen in bear markets. The opposite happens in bull markets, and we saw that for quite some time back in this direction when we were moving up. We would see those markets, they would rally, or they would sell off early in the morning, catch some support, and then rally in the afternoon. We'd see a lot of dip buyers, and right now everybody's selling the rips as we see them. So be careful to the downside. Also watch the videos this week. I'll be putting a couple extra videos out talking about trade plans, how important they are, and how to come about those. Other than that, guys, hey, have a great day on Tuesday. Watch your news in the morning. We do have one piece of information at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have new home sales. Other than that, stay on the sidelines for the first 30 minutes and trade them well. We'll talk to you then. Take care.